Good morning everyone. Today I'll be explaining creative writing for grade 1 and grade 2 in detail. That what it is and how are we supposed to do it in the best way. So, what is creative writing? Creative writing is expression of imagination. Your imagination, your creativity, your idea. That whenever you hear a term, what comes to your mind about that term, and writing it all in the appropriate manner. Now the question is, how are you supposed to write it? Whatever comes to your mind, it's always in random. It is in random way. It's not in an organized manner. So, if you will write all your thoughts, the result will be like this. For example, I say that write about a birthday party you attended last year or whenever. So it will be, I went to a birthday party. The first thing that will come to your mind will be that you got yummy sweets from there. Gifts were amazing. That will be another thing that will be appealing you. It was so much fun. The cake was delicious. I played games with my friends. Balloons and caps were so colorful. It's fine. It's not wrong. But problem here is that it is random. It's not organized. So we have to organize the thoughts. Whenever you are writing, you need to organize it. I will tell you 3 ways in which you can write it in the best way. So first thing is pictorial. I give you a topic and you make a picture of it. A very simple picture like this. The same birthday party, what you'll draw, it's, for example, this is you, these are your friends, there were balloons, streamers, gifts, cake. The main things that come to your mind, draw it in a simple way. Don't get into difficult drawings or intricate drawings. Just make a simple drawing so that you can write from it. The first way. Second way is the word bank. Which words are coming into your mind, just write those words randomly. Whatever word, for example, from the birthday party, fun, gifts, friends, games, caps, balloons, colors, cake. These all words come to your mind whenever you think about any birthday party. What you'll do, you will give them number. And then write about each word. Write a sentence related to that word. Third way is mind mapping. This is, in simple terms, is putting your mind on the page. For example, from birthday party. What comes to your mind? Fun, colors, yummy food. With colors, which things were colorful? The caps, the balloons. With fun, what was the fun part of the party? Games, gifts, and friends. And what was yummy in it? It was the cake and the sweets you got. Now, using any of these 3 methods, whatever suits you best, you can write the same paragraph, the same creative writing in an appropriate way. Now, this is the same thing written in an organized way. For example, we consider the picture. First thing is, I went to a birthday party last year. My other friends came as well. The house was decorated with colorful balloons and streamers. This is the first thing you notice when you go to a birthday party, that the decorations are beautiful. So it is now organized. The next is, there was a birthday cap. We wore caps when he cut the cake. When your friend cut the cake, you wore caps. The second event. The third, then we played many games. Winners got sweets. My friend opened his gifts. They were nice, very nice. So, you played the game, you got sweets for it. In the first case, you wrote the sweets at the second sentence. Now, it's coming in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line because it is now in organized way. At the end of the party, you got the sweets. It's not in the beginning. My friend opened his gift. They were very nice. It was a fun day. We enjoyed a lot. Now, using any of the 3 ways, the pictorial way, word bank or mind mapping, try writing about my family, my marketplace, a great day with a friend and my school at home. Enjoy, take care, bye bye.